All right, fire alarm is over. Okay, so I think I told you guys to color the bases, and so I'll pull some sticks here. Mr. McWilliams, what's the base shape of this one here? Rectangle. All right, so everybody should have written rectangle. The name of the solid figure would be rectangular prism. Okay. All right, 10 points. Mr. Rosowski, not in here. Let's see, Miss Lehman.
Pentagon and pentagonal prism.
Yeah, pentagonal prism. Nicely done, honey. Pentagon and a pentagonal prism. Okay. All right, bottom two. Oh, put up 10 points. Mr. Wooldridge, what do you think of this one here? What's the base shape?
A
Hexagon.
hexagon.
And what do you think this would be called?
A hexagonal prism.
A hexagonal prism. Nicely done. Okay, 10 points. Miss Reyes.
Octagon.
Octagon. Octagon has how many sides?
8.
And what would the name of the solid figure be?
Pentagonal prism.
That's right. Okay, nice. All right, gentlemen, for those of you that just walked in, you can check the video. We're just going over the answers. Okay, next page. All right, looks like we're continuing. Let's see here. It does say at the top, pyramid. A pyramid is a polyhedron with only one base. Notice these have just one base. The lateral faces of the pyramid are triangles that meet at a common vertex. And the vertex for these would be, at the very top. It says identify the base shape of the pyramid and then correctly name the pyramid. So this very first one, the base shape, Miss Nealons, what do you think?
Triangle?
Yeah, it's a triangle. And what do you think the name of the solid figure would be? Triangular pyramid, that's right. All right, next one. Miss Dart, what's the base shape right here? What's this shape?
A square?
Yeah, it's a square. And do you know what this would be called? Oh, for those of you that get this right, put up 10 points. What do you think this would be called? Think of it in terms of rectangular. A rectangular what? What's this word?
Pyramid?
Pyramid. So say rectangular pyramid. You got it.
Yeah, I thought it was square pyramid.
It could be square pyramid. That'd be fine. Yep. Either one. Either one. And this one here, Mr. Storm. What's the base shape?
Pentagon.
Yep. And what would you put down here?
Pentagonal pyramid.
Nicely done. Okay. Questions on those, anybody? No? Okay. All right, non-polyhedrons. All right, some three-dimensional figures have curved surfaces, cylinders. These solid figures are not polyhedrons. Okay. A cone has one circular base and one curved surface all the way around. You can call this the base. Although either one. Well, actually, it looks like they named both as the base. Interesting. And a sphere has no bases and one curved surface. All right. So down at the bottom, it says classify the solid figures. Write prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder, or sphere. Mr. Duhamel, what do you think this would be?
A prism?
Yeah. It's a prism. Okay.
Maybe if we put like rectangular before it, like rectangular prism.
Yeah, I wouldn't mark it wrong, but just put prism. This is what they're asking you to write. One of these words right here. Okay, so you don't have to make it more complicated than it is. All right, number 2. Oh, put up 10 points when you guys answer these correctly. Miss Hicks, what do you think number 2 would be?
Sphere?
Yep. Number 3, Mr. Clifton, what do you think?
Pyramid?
Yep. Right. This one here, I'm going to jump to number 6. Number 6, Sam's not here. Miss Bowman, what do you think 6 would be? You don't know, really? Okay. So go back to the top of the page. Do you see any figures that look similar to that one?
Yeah, cylinder?
Yeah, cylinder. You got it. Okay. Now these, since they have a base, and I think it was Mr. Buckman that just asked me if you could name them, the two names we were giving some of them, like a triangular pyramid or square pyramid or rectangular pyramid or a pentagonal pyramid. You could do that with these two. But let's see here. Let's make this worth 10 points. Mr. Milmore, what do you think this would be called?
A prism.
Yeah, that is a prism. How many sides does it have?
5.
Yeah. Pentagonal prism. All right. Put a point. Mr. Cowan, what do you think this would be?
Pentagonal prism.
Did you say 20 or 10?
10.
What did I say? I think I might have said 20. I don't remember. 10? Did I? Okay. Mr. Cowan, you said a pentagonal what?
Pyramid.
Yeah, pyramid, because they all come to a point. Okay. All right, turn the page. So this one, it says to classify the solid figure. Right, prism, pyramid, cone, cylinder, or sphere. So, who does not have all these done? So, a few of you. Well, let's go ahead and continue with this. I'll keep pulling sticks here. So, number 7, Mr. Montanez, what do you think that would be? It's going to be one of these right here. Say again?
Prism.
Yep, that's right. 10 points. Mr. Paulson, what's this one here? Cylinder, that's right. Mr. Sanad's not here. Miss Nye. Yeah, that's a cone, obviously. 10 points. Mr. Malamed, number 10. What do you think? Still thinking?
No,
Let me give you.
find the page.
Let me give you a. Trying to find the page.
Yeah, he's just trying to find the page.
Haven't you been following along? What have you been doing?
And I'm looking for a page that has the shape on it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it is a pyramid, but what shape is it?
Triangle.
Yeah, triangular pyramid. Okay. All right, good. 10 points. Mr. Buckman.
A prism.
Yeah, it's a prism.
Rectangular prism.
Yep, rectangular prism. Number 12, Mr. Texera. What do you think?
Rectangular prism.
Yep, I think so. Okay. Let's make this last one 30 points. You have to get all 3 correct. Miss Gordon, did you get 13?
A prism.
Yeah, but there's another name with it.
Hexagonal.
Yeah, excellent. So there's 1. What's 14?
A triangular pyramid.
No, good try. Good try. Miss Stockland, your next door neighbor here. What's the 13?
So it's a hexagonal prism
Good. 14?
and a square pyramid.
Good. And 15?
A octagon. Prism.
You got it. Nicely done. 30 points for your group. All right. So if you guys didn't hear that, 13 is a hexagonal prism. 14 is a square or a rectangular pyramid. You know, it's pyramid because they're all going to a point. And this is an octagonal because it's got 8 sides. Prism. Okay. All right. 16. Let's see here. Mario is making a sculpture out of stone. He starts by carving the base with 5 sides. That tells us something. A base with 5 sides. Then he carves 5 triangular lateral faces that all meet at a point. What meets, when they all meet at a point, what's it called?
Pyramid.
A pyramid, okay. And at the top, what 3-dimensional figure does Mario make? Raise your hand if you think you know. Several of you do. Mr. Villegas, what do you think it is?
It is a heptagonal pyramid.
No, good try. Miss Nye, what do you think it is? A pentagonal pyramid. All right, I'm not worried about 17. Not worried about 18. Next page.
Yeah.
I did 17 and 18.
Yeah, mid-chapter checkpoint after this. Okay. How long is this video? Oh, we're at 16 minutes. I'm going to stop here. Let's see here. Really quick, I want you guys to do 19. And, yeah, you can answer these also. Let me underline what's important here once you read these directions. It has a square foundation. That's important. The building has 4 triangular exterior faces, and that meet up at a point at the top of the structure. That's going to help you answer some of these questions. So anyways, do that last page for homework. And I'll end this video here. Everybody say goodbye. Bye. Tell Mom and Dad I love you.
Like and subscribe.
Everybody say I love you.
Like and subscribe.
That was kind of weak. Say it again. 1, 2, 3. Bye. No, I meant to say I love you again. 1, 2, 3. Bye.